connect to my energies by simply liking this particular video right now. And I'm going to read out the current energies of your person towards you. What actions are they going to take next in the month of April itself? Let's see. So, before I proceed, do not forget to like, share, subscribe me here, and to connect with my energies and to connect with this particular video so that it resonates with you. Click on the like button and subscribe for more. Let's see. Nine of Wands. We have Nine of Wands here in the beginning of the video. Somebody has blocked you. You have blocked them, vice versa, whatever, take how it may resonate. But it seems like somebody has blocked somebody, if not in person, if not on phone, then it is a possibility that energetically somebody has blocked someone. So if that is the scenario and that is the situation wherein you guys are going through a no contact period, then this particular video is going to resonate with majority of you. All right, now take your person's name thrice, connect with my energies, drop miracle in the comment section, and let's see what are the current energies of your person. Wheel of Fortune. We have Wheel of Fortune. Something tells me that right now everything seems to be up in the air. Nothing is making sense. Everything seems to be like, uh, you know, everything seems very confused. You are in a confused state of mind. You're not able to make a decision or a choice as to where this particular connection is headed towards. What is going to happen in the near future, neither is your person. But whatever is not making sense is up in the air right now, tells me that everything will start moving forward in the forward direction in upcoming 10 days. Of course it has to, because the Mercury retrograde and the Venus retrograde is going to get over by the mid of April at the max. I think around 12th or 13th or maybe 8th of April, but we are taking the maximum timeline by 10th of within 10 days. So this Three of Cups tells me that in case you've been wondering when is it that your person is going to contact you, when is it that your person is going to reach out to you, so now is the time when they are going to reach out to you, they are going to contact you. And for few people, I also see not only in 10 days, but that it is a possibility that in upcoming 3 hours to 3 days or 3 weeks, I see your person is going to see you face to face with Three of Cups, and your person is going to be there. You guys are going to do a face to face meeting. You guys are going to enjoy. You guys are going to reconnect. With the Hierophant card, I feel that this person is coming up with a lot of clarity in their mind. Maybe for few of you, I'm sensing that probably you're expecting a commitment, you're expecting a proposal to come from this person, and this person is going to come forward with a lot of clarity. This can be also one of the reason that you guys are facing a lot of problem in your connection. But now I see that this person is going to come forward with a lot of clarity. This person is going to propose to you, make amends with you, whatever was not working out. And in case if you were looking for stability, now is the time when this person is going to provide you that stability and that commitment that you have been looking forward for from this person going forward. In upcoming 3 weeks, I am also sensing that probably with the Hierophant card, you may be dealing with somebody who is a Taurus here, maybe Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces here. Somebody with a heavy Jupiter as well in their chart. Maybe yours, maybe theirs. But I do see that this person is definitely somebody who is quite traditional, somebody who values tradition over modernism. And I do feel that somewhere down the line, this particular, transit which is happening right now, the Mercury and Venus retrograde transit, is going to transform your connection for better, for good. So if right now you are in a situation wherein you guys are not talking to each other, you guys are not interacting with each other, now is the time when I do see that the conversation is going to begin, the interaction is going to start, and this person is going to bring in a lot of clarity as to where this particular situation or this connection will move forward. With the Eight of Wands, I do see again signs of travel, signs of communication, a fast paced communication. All of a sudden this person is going to reach out to you, and it is going to happen when you will be least expecting it. So all of a sudden, you may be busy with stuff with something, and all of a sudden this person is going to reach out to you, and you'll be like, all of a sudden you'll be like, okay, where is this coming from? And you'll be like completely shocked, because when you were expecting it, they were not reaching out to you, but now they have reached out to you. They are now ready to come out of the hermit mode, the zone wherein they were in, to make sense of everything, and where they may have taken space, but now they are coming out of that zone. They are coming out of that particular situation. Uh, and somewhere something tells me that all this while, when you guys were not in touch, they were doing a lot of self work, a lot of self introspection, and now they are going to come out of that zone. With Two of Swords, I feel that there is a lot of contemplation which is happening in your mind and their mind. Take how it may resonate, but contemplation definitely is a part of this particular connection right now. The Tower, realization, lot of realizations are coming, lot of things are happening while they are self introspecting. They are thinking of the ideas, the ways, and everything. I feel a lot of contemplation is happening, and this no contact period or this no contact situation right now is making things clear in their mind, so it is not a bad thing. So this particular situation was much required in this connection, for things to get clear. The transformation, Death card, this transformation tells me there is a lot of transformation which is happening in your connection. Few cycles are ending so that new cycle can begin. So that is what I'm hearing right now. But definitely there is a new transition for a new beginning. Like I said, we have received the Fool. So few things are ending for a new beginning, and I feel with the Strength card, I do see that somewhere down the line, uh, with the transformation, with the realization, with the self introspection and self work, that new beginning is going to come in soon, come in fast, with a lot of clarity, which is going to bring a lot of joy. But with Strength card, I also feel that you are there on their mind 24/7, but at the same point of time, this person is also thinking practically, not only emotionally but practically. And I do see that with the Lovers card, this person is realizing that they are madly in love with you, and they cannot deny this particular fact that they are in love with you. The love is very strong. It can be a soulmate twin flame connection as well, but I do see that the love is very strong. With the Seven of Cups, which is somewhere down the line clouded with the Judgment, some confusions are there, maybe related to other stuff in your life, but it seems like there are some confusion which is like, sort of stopping them to move forward, to come forward. The connection that you guys have, the emotional connection that you guys share is very strong. The love that you guys share is very strong. The emotions are very much connected, and there seems to be a lot of emotional codependency on each other that you guys have. The Judgment tells me that there is a second chance which is going to come, and the divine is playing a role in this particular connection. So no matter what you plan, how you plan it, the fact is that with the divine timings, things are going to naturally turn in your favor, or going to turn out, and it is going to be in your favor. It is going to be good for both of you and for the connection. The Devil tells me that there is a lot of obsessive compulsive behavior here. Probably this person is very obsessed with you. Probably that is also one of the reason that they are not able to stay away from you. But with the Five of Wands, there seems to be some fears and phobias also, which is which is involved in this particular connection. With the Five of Wands, I do see that there are a lot of fights, internal conflicts. Probably you guys have fought or something, but something tells me that there are fears, there are phobias, there is obsession. But because of so many conflicts and outside people getting involved, it seems like that there is some ending. Okay, there it seems like that there is some ending in this particular situation, and I do see that at the same point of time. I do see with that at the same point of time. That things are a little tricky right now, because there is some ending, but there is an ending of the fight, or there is an ending of the conflict, or the people who are getting involved in this particular connection. It seems like this person is very much drawn to you, pulled towards you, but uh, at the same point of time, it is also a situation wherein the outside people may be influencing that it's a very controlling relationship or something of that sort. But that's what I'm hearing with the two of pentacles. Yet again, the juggle is real, and there is lot of things that are happening in this particular connection. The two of pentacles tells me that the juggle is happening, the situation, the confusion is getting created in the mind, the clouded judgment is going to be there. And with the knight of cups, I do see that somewhere down the line, with the knight of cups, I do see that somewhere down the line, things are going to move slow in your favor, but it is not going to be out of impulse. This person is going to reach out to you slowly and gradually, but not out of impulse, with a lot of I would say clarification, and with a lot of things that they are going to clear in their mind. At the same point of time, the star tells me the hope is still there. They have not lost the hope in this particular connection, but the juggle and the confusion is definitely clouding their judgment. At the same point of time, with the ace of pentacles, I do see that with the ace of pentacles, I do see that uh, there is a lot of stability in this particular situation and connection that is going to come, because this person, no matter what is happening right now, no matter what the surroundings are, I do see that this person is going to come forward with a lot of clarity in their mind, and they are going to propose to you for stability. So that is not something which is a question here at all. Eight of cups, they might have just taken a break because of whatever influences, or because of whatever stuff which is going on right now. They might have taken a break right now and that space right now, but at the same point of time, that I do see that situation, uh, the gap that has been created, that was much required, but things are going to evolve naturally with divine timing, and it is going to be in your favor. But at present, the energies are quite confusing. But in upcoming days, within 10 days, like I said, 3 days, 3 weeks, 3 hours, or in upcoming 10 days, anytime, the situation is going to be in your favor. Things are getting resolved. Things will start moving on in the right direction, and things are going to be more clear in this particular connection. The chariot tells me that probably they feel, or probably something tells me that the direction that you've been wanting in this particular connection, the clarity that is going to be there, and whatever situation is going to happen, it is going to plan accordingly to what you have been looking out for, the clarity. Okay, the six of wands again tells me that you are going to feel very successful. You're going to feel you are going to feel very good, on top of the world. Something tells me that the reward and recognition is also around the corner. Maybe your career, their career, but somebody's career is going to kind of boost. They are getting a boost in their career, some sort of reward in the shape and form of monetary benefits, or probably some promotion or some sort of appreciation is going to come. Be it you or your partner, take how it may resonate. And I also see that everything is going to plan out accordingly. Everybody will have a win-win situation. Everybody, both of you will be at a good situation in upcoming first 10 days itself. The magician tells me that you've been manifesting, they have been manifesting, and they know that you're too good to be true for them. However, when it comes to the future, because we have two of wands here, when it comes to the future, they are thinking about it and they are thinking strong. The world and the king of cups tells me that the situation over here in this particular connection, I see that, if whatever negativity is there, whatever situation is happening, and whatever negativity is there, that is going to end, and they are going to come forward with lot of clarity which was required in this particular connection in the upcoming few days itself. Within April itself, the entire situation is going to change. Negativity in this connection that has formed, that is going to end, and things are going to become different. Okay, now let's see overall what the oracle has to say for this particular situation or this particular connection. Now, again, close your eyes, take your person's name thrice, and this is what they want to say to you. Fascination, your cute smile attracts me towards you. I often get this card. This is one of my favorite card, undoubtedly, but definitely I do see that fascination. They are quite fascinated by your smile, your eyes, your looks, everything, and the impatience. Life is too short to wait, dying to meet you. So they are missing you. They are being very impatient to see you, to meet you. Like I said, in 3 hours, 3 days, or even in 3 weeks or 10 days, things are going to pan out. They are just looking for the right opportunity, right time, and right words to speak to you. That is what I see. Togetherness and obsession. Like I said, obsession. See, these cards are just confirming what I said. I want to come closer and spend time with you, passionately in love with you today, tomorrow, and forever. This is so, so beautiful, isn't it? So, I do see that, things are going to work out in your favor just the way you like, because this person cannot stay away from you. Wish my day starts with your smile. Be mine only. So I do see that somewhere down the line, this person cannot stay away from you, and I see good news flowing in, love coming in, reconciliation coming in, no contact situation breaking, realization coming, and a proposal is on the horizon for stability here. So guys, if this reading resonated with you, and in case if you are looking for more insight, a more tailored session, then you can book me up. You can contact me on the links below, mentioned below in the description box. In case if you're looking for a spell work, I would suggest 21 days love combo, or you can go for 1 day spell as well, that I have introduced recently. And trust me guys, if my spell work is not going to work for you, nobody's spell work is going to work for you. That's how strong my spell work are. All right, and if it is not meant to be, it is not going, nothing can change it in that particular scenario or in that particular situation. So here I take your leave. Wish you all the best, and bye bye.